1. Ramadan is a sacred month that strengthens a Muslim's faith and connection with Allah. 2. It teaches self-discipline and control over desires, fostering spiritual growth. 3. Fasting during Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, making it a fundamental act of worship. 4. It promotes empathy and compassion by reminding Muslims of the struggles of the less fortunate. 5. Ramadan encourages acts of charity, helping those in need. 6. It is a time for self-reflection, repentance, and seeking forgiveness for past sins. 7. The month emphasizes the importance of community, unity, and family bonds. 8. Increased prayer and Quran recitation during Ramadan deepen spiritual awareness. 9. It provides an opportunity to break bad habits and cultivate positive ones. 10. Ramadan fosters gratitude for life's blessings, such as food, water,